Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the surface perfect. Wipe the table with 70% rubbing alcohol to remove grease and dust so the sticker bonds. Next, measure across and down, adding 1/2 extra on each edge. This gives you trimming room and prevents gaps. Once done, cut the vinyl on a flat board using a metal ruler and a sharp blade so edges are straight. Make sure to keep the backing intact until alignment. That backing prevents premature sticking and helps you reposition. You align the center line over the table and secure one edge with painter's tape to create a hinge, which keeps the sticker from shifting. Then peel about 6-8 inches of backing and press the exposed area down, using a squeegee from the center outward to push air and adhesive into place. Once the middle is secure, continue peeling and smoothing in stages. If the vinyl fights curves or small bumps, heat it gently with a hairdryer and stretch minimally. This helps it conform without warping the pattern. You finish by trimming excess vinyl with a sharp blade held at a shallow angle toward the table edge so cuts are clean. Then press all edges firmly and roll seams with a soft cloth to ensure full contact. Adhesive needs pressure to cure. If small bubbles appear, prick the center with a fine pin, press out air, then smooth. Larger bubbles often respond to low heat to relax the film and re-adhere. If an edge lifts, lift back gently and reapply with slow smoothing. Pressure fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.